Hello. Something German today. I've no idea on the brand though, but it says links and rechts, left and right in German. I'm sure you don't need me to explain that. And it's some sort of lockbox key, lock thing. Yeah, get very technical, Rich, done really well. It says Juni on the key. It's got a number on the back so you can get a new one cut. I'll gladly show you the number, you'll see why in a minute. Bitting, nothing special. But being German made, you'd think, you know, engineering's fair. Got mounting plates, removable. This section just pulls clean off when the front plate isn't on it and when it's not all mounted into place. But, and I'll turn it round and we'll give it a pick. Bear with me. But, as I was saying, it may be German engineering, but it's a rubbish lock. It's just a wafer lock in here. It's only got 4 wafers. And there we go. Easy pick. So despite the appearance of security, the code number on the key, everything else, it's just a piece of junk. Cheers.